Hey everyone, today I'll be taking a look at Bolt.new, a platform that allows you to quickly build and deploy full stack web applications. Bolt provides a range of templates and tools to help developers create projects from scratch or build on top of existing frameworks. The Bolt homepage presents a variety of options for what you can build, from blogs and mobile apps to presentations and video players. Let's start by clicking on the Start a Blog with Astro button. This brings up a different user interface compared with the Bolt homepage. It has a chat-like interface on the left and code editor with a preview on the right. The project is imported and we can see the dependencies being installed and the project starting to run. This brings up the template for starting a blog using the Astro framework. Astro is a popular static site generated that makes it easy to create fast, content-focused websites. With Bolt's integration, you can quickly spin up a new Astro-powered blog and start publishing content. Now let's try something a bit more custom. I'd like to build a web application that allows users to keep a daily journal and receive positive affirmations based on their entries. I didn't have to do any manual setup or file creation here. As soon as I entered the prompt, Bolt automatically generated the project structure, installed the dependencies and started the application. This is similar to the Cursor Composer feature, where the tool handles all the boilerplate and lets me focus on the code. I can see the initial positive affirmation. Every day is a fresh start. Let me try adding a few entries and see how the affirmations change. I'm feeling happy today. The affirmation updated to "You're doing better than you think you are." I'm feeling sad today. The affirmation is now "Your potential is limitless." I really like how the affirmations are dynamically changing based on my entries. Let me add a feature to display the affirmation alongside with each entry. Bolt has made the necessary changes to the project. And now I can see the affirmation shown above each entry. This is great improvement and makes the experience more informative for the user. Now let's make the affirmations even more personalized by integrating a GPT API. Bolt is setting up an API integration and I can see it's using a free Hugging Face API key. I had a rough day today. For this entry, it's generating "Every moment holds the potential for positive change. You're on the right path." Okay. I broke up with my boyfriend today. Your feelings matter. This moment is temporary. Take the time you need to heal and grow. The affirmations are now much more tailored to the specific prompts, which is really impressive. I didn't have to do any manual coding or API integration. Bolt handled all of that for me. Finally, let's deploy this app straight from Bolt. I'll click on the deploy button and Bolt is handling the infrastructure and server setup. Just like the Cursor deployment process, it's giving me two links, one for the deployment on Bolt server and another to clean the project and deploy it on my own account, like Netlify. I'll choose the second option to deploy it on my Netlify account. Since I don't have one set up yet, I'll quickly create a Netlify account and connect it to Bolt. And there we go. My journal app is now live on Netlify, all from within the Bolt platform. Bolt really makes it easy to build and deploy full stack web applications, handling all the technical details so I can focus on creating. I encourage you all to explore Bolt.new and see what kind of projects you can build. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.